Welcome to our video on how to become a company that encourages employees to make honest improvements and grow from the bottom of their hearts. A supportive and transparent work culture is essential for fostering genuine growth and development. Let's explore the tools and strategies that can help you cultivate this environment. Cultivating a culture of genuine improvement and growth. Cultivating a culture of genuine improvement and growth requires commitment from both leadership and employees. It involves open communication, transparent goal setting, and a continuous learning mindset. When employees feel supported and valued, they are more likely to contribute honestly and strive for personal and professional growth. Open communication, fostering honest feedback with Slack. Open communication is the cornerstone of a healthy work culture. Slack is a powerful tool that can help foster honest feedback. Create dedicated channels for feedback, where employees can share their thoughts and suggestions without fear of judgment. Make it clear that all feedback is valued and will be taken seriously. This openness builds trust and encourages more honest and constructive communication. Transparent goal setting, using Google Calendar to align objectives. Transparent goal setting is crucial for aligning team objectives and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Google Calendar is an excellent tool for this purpose. Create events in Google Calendar for key goals and share them with your team. Include detailed descriptions and set reminders to keep everyone informed and focused on achieving these objectives. Collaborative projects, enhancing teamwork with Slack channels. Slack channels are perfect for enhancing teamwork by providing a dedicated space for each project. Create project-specific channels in Slack and invite all relevant team members. Encourage regular updates and discussions to keep the momentum going and ensure everyone is aligned with the project's goals. Continuous learning, sharing resources and updates in Slack. Continuous learning is essential for personal and professional growth. Use Slack to share resources, articles, and updates related to industry trends and professional development. Encourage team members to contribute and discuss these materials to promote a culture of continuous learning and growth. Real-time performance tracking, leveraging Google Sheets for data-driven insights. Real-time performance tracking is vital for making informed decisions and encouraging improvement. Design a performance tracking sheet in Google Sheets and share it with your team. Use charts and graphs to visualize progress and identify areas for improvement. This transparency motivates employees to strive for better performance. Regular check-ins, scheduling one-on-one meetings with Google Calendar. Regular check-ins are important for maintaining open communication and providing personalized support. Use Google Calendar to schedule one-on-one meetings with your team members to listen to your team's concerns, provide feedback, and set actionable goals for their growth. Building a supportive environment for honest growth and improvement. In conclusion, building a supportive environment for honest growth and improvement involves fostering open communication, setting transparent goals, encouraging collaboration, and promoting continuous learning. By leveraging tools like Slack and Google Calendar, you can create a culture that empowers employees to grow genuinely and contribute their best. To further enhance this supportive environment, consider incorporating SANUS. It automatically gathers and analyzes data from various platforms, offering a unified performance dashboard and generating insightful reports. This helps in fair evaluations and provides a clear picture of your company's overall health. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you next time.